new, it's used. So you lose a huge chunk in just that first driving off the lot, okay? So then after that, the more miles you put on it, your car starts to depreciate in value. But if you get to that point where your car's paid off, it's worth something, right? I mean, as long as it's running, yes, it's worth something. Even the scrap metal, it's worth something. So it's never going to get to zero. I've seen some cars that are probably, they couldn't sell them. They couldn't pay you to take them. Okay, so here's part C. These are questions. Part C. What is the rate of depreciation? At 3 years? And then part D, what is the rate of depreciation at 10 years? So what are you going to do to figure this out? Take derivative, right? You're going to take the derivative of this. And then just plug in 3 and then plug in 10. So let's do the derivative up here. What is the derivative of this function? So what happens with this 20,000? It's being multiplied, right? So it's attached to this, so it's going to come along for the ride. It's 20,000. Okay, what is the derivative of a to the t, or a to the x? What is the derivative of an exponential function? Itself. But one very, very critical thing here. Times natural log of 0.86. So on your calculator, I'd like someone to do part C, and we won't do part D because I've got to go. For part C, what we're doing is we're plugging in 3 into the derivative. So on your calculator, you've got to do 20,000, then this to the third, then times natural log of 0.86. And you should get a negative number. What do you get? Negative what?
Negative
1,918? Is that what you got? Close to that? Yeah, okay. Approximately this. Did anyone try plugging in 10 yet?
Yes.
What, okay, just so we have it. What do you get at 10?
Negative 667.54.
Okay, 0.54. All right, so look, this is what's happening. When you get to that 3-year mark, the rate at which your car is depreciating, it's losing almost $2,000 a year on average, a year, when you get to that 3rd year. But when you're at your 10th year, it's only losing about $600, $700 a year. Make sense? Less depreciation. All the depreciation takes place in the very beginning, right? That's when it takes the highest. Do your homework for this section. We'll see you on Thursday, okay? Make sure you turn in that problem number 5 off the test on Thursday or you don't get credit for it.